3 days until I leave. Technically, actually, Wednesday, Thursday. Ooh, tomorrow's only Wednesday. Oh, thank God. No. Today's Wednesday. Damn it. I just checked. Okay, 2 days until I leave. Obviously, I have nothing done. Obviously, I'm under a lot of stress now to do a lot of stuff. Story of my life. No matter how many times I travel, I can never learn my lesson. Anyways, I'm leaving Friday night. Just stuck in traffic now because I timed it absolutely perfect to hit the worst traffic of all time. See you in the next time I record something. On our first morning in Guatemala, we woke up early in Antigua on a Sunday. It was the perfect way to experience the real Guatemala before the busyness started and the tourists filled the streets.
Con carne, tenemos con pierna horneada y carne mixta, con chile relleno. Buenos días. I'm trying to be candid. I think I have plain face.
So my plan was to vlog Central America, but I'm never leaving Guatemala, so this is the last video you'll ever see. If I have a house, it's gonna look like this. If I buy the house, I might not be able to afford the travel to buy this stuff. I think not enough people dress like rainbows every day. Imagine just walking around, going to the shop like this. Yeah. One time when I was in college, this girl said, "You're so confident, you're so colorful." Yeah. It's not like 250.
It's not even 250. Yeah.
One tip I can give you is if you are heading to Antigua, try go out and explore early in the morning if you do not like chaos. Also, the temperature is much nicer in the morning than throughout the day. Cake, car cake. Cake from a car. See out of 10. No, it's good, but this thing is weird. It tastes like fishes.
Really?
Like if fish laid an egg. Yeah, but the cake's so good. I'm gonna tell her it's good anyway. For the 2 nights we stayed in Santa Ana, slightly outside Antigua, about a 20-minute walk, a nice quiet area, and we even got to see our first volcano explosion. And we cooked like a little roasted chicken. It's nearly 8 p.m. We did 20,000 steps today. We're gonna wake up at 5:30 and do a sunrise hike. But first, I need a cup of tea. I'm gonna go find some tea. They love a bit of bingo at night time. I would play, but my Spanish numbers is not the best. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Oh, yeah, sí. 4. Yeah. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
10 bar. 10.
10.
20. No,
10 quetzales.
¿No tiene cambio, no?
No.
What? It's not. Oh, this is your Morocco. Oh, I took this from you.
Dos.
Yeah.
Dos.
This is Morocco.
Yeah, what is it?
Oh, I don't know. It was in your wallet. Those is okay. Tried to give the guy Moroccan money. That's why he didn't accept it. 2 tea bags, 50 cents. It's 5:30 in the morning. We're gonna try to catch the sunrise at the top of the mountain. Last night before bed. Bird. People get up so early. Why is it so busy at 5:30 in the morning? Okay, back to my dream. So last night before bed, you know, I saw the volcano, the smoke come out of the volcano.
Yeah.
And then I was having this weird dream about there was like mountains erupting, and I was like standing there with all these people, and then people started screaming, and I was like, this is so dramatic. And then I saw these flames like landing rocks, and I was like, oh no, and I could see these little red dots in the sky, and my dad was with me.
I'm really so excited.
No, I was so scared, and I was trying to convince my dad that it was real, and he was like, no, and it's like, we need to hide. And then I was like, where do you hide if there's like balls of fire coming out of the sky? Yeah, I woke up and I was feeling very scared. Okay, it was like a 30-minute walk here. Now to start hiking up there. The sun's coming up. It's a dog and he's just watching us. Yeah. Slightly getting worried about doing the volcano hike. This is about a 1 out of 10. And I'm severely out of breath. Hello. Hello. Buen día. Hello, bro. Okay, I was actually getting worried about how unfit I was. But I just remember we're like super high altitude. So look at that. Anyways, it's not my fault. There's just no oxygen in the air. Okay. Hello, friend again. Where's the best viewpoint? This way? Okay, let's see. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, doggy. Whoa. So peaceful up here. There's actually people working already, even though it's like 6 a.m. Cleaning, watering. Oh my god, it's amazing. I think I'm going down here. The birds are waking up. A lot of crazy birds here. So how long have you lived here? Oh, okay. Sorry, it's Mitch, we just met. Out of 10 recommend. The sun just came up. The mountain is mountaining. I think it's a good idea to do things early here because it gets very touristy. We were the first people here, now there's a good few people here. The same with the Ark in Antigua. We went in the morning, there was no one, and throughout the day it was packed. So we're going to try go now and see if we can get a picture without 100 people. Getting busy now. Bye, friend. Thanks for sitting with me. In the daytime, there's like shops and stuff here, but I can imagine that the crowds are crazy. Yesterday we could see it from the town. There were so many people. Got to the arch. It's a lot quieter than during the daytime, so if you want a picture, definitely go early. The only problem today is Monday morning, there's a lot of cars. But yeah, better than yesterday. Also, obviously I was dressed for the hike. If you want, you can bring like a dress with you or something if you want to be fancy. Time for coffee. A bowl of coffee. Definitely deserved.
¿Quieres restaurante, comedor?
Algo para desayuno.
A 2 cuadras.
Sí.
Bajas medio.
You're gonna drink or eat
Yeah.
with the spoon?
So this is an entry before breakfast. It's a note typical from here. That's it. So good.
Oats. So sweet. Tortilla.
Yeah, one for you, one for me.
Or 2 for me, none for you. This actually looks good. I didn't get one because I thought it would be too fried, but it's delicious, so I'm getting one. Out of 10?
11.
Fried banana, scrambled eggs, refried beans.
Yeah. Sugar beans.
Well, cheese, I'm not gonna eat the cheese. Oats, cafe. Pink salt and sugar is the key ingredient in this one. No oat milk, no problem. Oats coffee. The only problem is there's sugar in this and sugar in this, so it's gonna taste like sugar and sugar. They weren't wrong when they said Latinos are affectionate people. I have seen a lot of shifting going on. A lot of public kissing. I told him I hate birds. I started feeding them, and now he's swarmed. And I'm eating lunch alone. Oh my god, they're coming. I'm honestly so confused. This place looked so small, and it's like a magic. You open one door and you think it's one room, but there's 10,000 rooms in here. Whoa, I love the colors of the clothes. So colorful. I would like pants actually. I kind of completely forgot about checking out because in a van you don't have to. So now we have 3 minutes. I have to divide my stuff up between 2 bags. One we're leaving in storage and the other we're going on a flight to Flores to go to Tikal to go see the Mayan temples. So yeah, I also have to carry the bags on my back, which I haven't had to do since the airport, so I'm not looking forward to that. It's really hot outside. Goodbye, little room. Thank you for the view. Oh, it's already too hot and this bag's already too heavy. Just dropped off the bags, still stuck with too many bags. The one good thing about Antigua, I don't know how, but basically there's shade on one side of every street, which makes a massive difference when you're carrying about 7,000 kg. Now to the coffee before we go get a bus to the airport. Yeah, can't wait to get this bag off of my back. Where's a van when you need one? And I sneak out from behind the trees even though they're so big.